Brief, accurate and important news of today's Sunday. American intelligence officials have stated that the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan has defeated the Daesh group in Afghanistan and added that there is no possibility of the reanimation of the Al-Qaeda group in Afghanistan. The officials of the Farah Province Voice and Virtue Department say that they have arrested 3 sorcerers in the center of this province. The National Agency of Standards says that 80 wagons of low-quality fuel were returned to the port of Hairatan by this agency in the last 4 months. The National Agency of Standards has also assured the citizen that they will continue to monitor the ports to prevent the importation of low-quality goods into the country as well. Niamatullah Barakzai, the representative of Kabul municipality, says this year 150 projects worth 5 billion and 240 million Afghans will be implemented in Kabul city, of which 85 projects are road construction. Kabul Police Command says in the past year the anti-terrorism management of Kabul Police Command has seized various weapons and arrested 74 people in connection with them in different areas of Kabul. The construction work of road between Gardiz in capital of Paktian province and Zurmut district is underway. The Supreme Court of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan stated that the courts of Laghman province issued 111 documents during the past 2 weeks, in addition to resolving 87 cases.